Are you looking for a slow cooker that combines convenience, versatility, and delicious results? Look no further than this Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker. This 4-quart slow cooker is designed to simplify your cooking routine and bring family-friendly meals to the table with ease. Whether you're preparing a hearty lasagna, succulent roast, or a sweet dessert, this slow cooker makes it easier than ever to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Hamilton Beach is a trusted name in the kitchen appliance world, known for delivering thoughtful products that improve everyday cooking experiences. With over 100 years of innovation, this programmable slow cooker is a prime example of the brand's dedication to creating solutions that make life easier. Let's dive into why this Hamilton Beach slow cooker should be your next kitchen essential. Why choose the Hamilton Beach 4-quart programmable slow cooker? When it comes to slow cooking, the Hamilton Beach Programmable 4-quart slow cooker stands out for its combination of versatility, ease of use, and thoughtful design. Here's what you'll love about it. Versatile cooking options. This programmable slow cooker comes with a range of customizable settings to suit your cooking needs. It offers 15 different cooking options by combining low or high heat settings with 5 different cooking times: 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours. Whether you're slow cooking a hearty stew or preparing a family-sized chicken, this slow cooker has you covered. Set it and forget it. One of the most convenient features of this Hamilton Beach slow cooker is its ability to automatically switch to the keep warm setting once the cooking time is up. This allows you to set your meal and forget about it, freeing you up to tackle other tasks or relax without worrying about overcooking your food. Perfect size for small to medium meals. With its 4-quart capacity, this slow cooker is ideal for cooking meals for 4+ people. Whether you're cooking a 4 pounds that chicken, a 2-pound roast, or even lasagna or desserts, this cooker provides just the right amount of space for your meal prep. It's also a fantastic choice for potlucks and family gatherings. Easy cleanup. No one likes dealing with difficult cleanup after a meal, and this Hamilton Beach slow cooker ensures you won't have to. The removable stoneware crock and glass lid are both dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. The touchpad is also easy to wipe clean, ensuring that your slow cooker stays in top condition with minimal effort. Convenient portability. This slow cooker comes with full grip handles, making it easy to transport your meal from the counter to the dining table or even to a party or potluck. You can bring your dishes along without worrying about spills or awkward carrying. Key features and benefits. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker gives you the flexibility to choose from 5 cooking times: 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours, and 3 heat settings: low, high, or warm. This allows you to experiment with different meal types, from a slow-cooked stew to a quick chili. The wraparound heating element provides even heat distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked thoroughly and deliciously every time. You can customize your meal to be as tender or as firm as you prefer, giving you complete control over the cooking process. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking. Whether you're preparing dinner before work or letting it cook while you take care of other tasks, you don't need to monitor your meal. The automatic switch to warm ensures that your food stays at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve it. No need to worry about overcooking or drying out your dish. This slow cooker has you covered. Not only is this slow cooker easy to use with its programmable touchpad, but it also makes cleanup a breeze. After you're done cooking, you can remove the stoneware crock and glass lid, both of which are dishwasher safe, for effortless cleaning. The touchpad is designed to wipe clean with ease, so you won't have to spend time scrubbing. The 4-quart capacity of this Hamilton Beach slow cooker is ideal for preparing family meals, meal prep, and batch cooking. It's big enough to cook a whole chicken or roast, yet compact enough to fit in your kitchen without taking up too much space. Whether you're cooking for a small family, a gathering, or simply want to prepare meals ahead of time, this cooker can handle it all. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker features a sleek, silver finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its durable construction, including the stoneware crock, glass lid, and stainless steel handles, ensures long-lasting performance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.